Alright guys, I just accidentally stopped the video, so, which is probably good because then I can post it out there. I don't know. Get my flashlight ready. Lock the door, not unlock it. I got so much shit in my pocket. Okay. Test my flashlight. Oh yeah, that sucker's bright. There we go. Anyways. Take my bucket. Make sure the door's locked. Okay. Now, I know it's dark. It's hard to see. I don't want to waste my battery. But I will show you exactly what I'm doing out here. I'm collecting brass. I mean, shell casings, bullet shell casings from guns. And you can make some money off of it. You can make a, you know, not a lot, but you can make enough. I mean, if you stock it up, you can make a lot of money off of it. So, this range is, I'll just say it's about, I'll put it to you guys this way. I'll probably say too much on where this place is, but it's about ooh, there goes a shooting star. Oh, that was cool. It's near an airport. That's all I'm going to say. It's near an airport. So, and there's the airport right over there. Okay. And it's cold out here. I'm glad I brought this hat. It's a funny looking hat, but I brought it. I'm almost here. So, alright, let me grab my flashlight and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. Here's the shooting range. Okay. I'm not going to show you exactly what's around here. Only what's on the ground. There's a shotgun shell. Now, to the newcomers, I recommend you guys recycle brass. And if you don't recycle them, reload them. Because I guarantee you, it's everywhere out here. Now, out in this area, I'm lucky enough to get maybe, ooh, some earplugs. Those are hard to come by. Yeah, not only will you find, you know, bullets, shell casings, you can find earplugs. Clean them up real good with hot water. You could still use them again if they're not all gooey looking. Anyways, this is kind of what I'm looking for here. There's 22 shells on the ground, lots of 22 shells. Now the bad thing about this place is there's a lot of rocks here. Okay, so it's harder to, you can't sweep it up. Now there's some bald spots around here where people have been sweeping it up and recycling, and right now I just found a loaded bullet. That's a good thing. It looks like a 45 or 40 caliber. Yeah, that's a 40 caliber. You know what I'm gonna do? If I still can, I don't know. I don't think I can right now since it's recording. I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit at least. I can't turn on the light for this phone. Well, anyways, right there. That is not a 40, that's a 9mm. Baby. Well, I'll show you when I get home. Oh man, that's great. I've been finding a lot of live rounds, a lot of 9mm. I found a whole box of 9mm out here. Anyways, I'm just going to show you around and give you guys an idea of what to look for. There are 22 shells. Those are 22 shells right there. Those little small, you know. Another loaded 9mm. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? So yeah, there's all kinds of stuff you can find out here at these shooting ranges. Live shotgun shells. Yeah, there's a couple of brass shells in here. I'm gonna leave here happy, hopefully. And of course, there's my bucket with what I found just a few seconds ago. Okay, well, there's a 45, and it's hard to see with the light. Right there is a 45 caliber. I'll pick that up too. I'm just giving you guys ideas on what to look for. You know, there's lots of 45s, 223s, 357s, 9mm, 30-06. See, there's a 223 right there. That's brass. Okay, there's some brass out here. Wow, there's usually hardly any brass out here. Now it's a lot of brass. I'm glad I came out here. There's a lot of brass out here. Look at all that. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm probably giving it away by showing the tables, but there's only like 3 out here, 4 or 5 out here. It's not a very big shooting range. It's small. But I'm pretty sure the locals know where this place is just by seeing that one table. So, I mean, if they do know where it is, they know where it is. But this is the kind of stuff to look for. You know, and even, see, live rounds. There it is, 22. That's a live round right there. I find those by the handfuls. You know, I come out of here with at least a box full. Oh, lovely night tonight. Now it's best if you find live rounds. Let's see if I can do this. This is a 357. If you find live rounds, and yes, it has been fired. Boy, I wish this focus would work. Anyways, it's been fired. But the best thing to do, if you do find live rounds, make damn sure they have the right proper amount of grains, because if you shoot a gun, a lot of people reload, and some could have hot loads in them. It can literally blow your gun to pieces. So, excuse me. So I wouldn't just shoot the bullet. I would measure it, make sure it weighs the same as a factory load. And if you know factory loads, if you know what they look like, identify them with a actual factory load. And if it is a factory load, then it's good to you know, it's okay to shoot it. Anyways, here's a sign. It says paper targets and clays pigeons only. Remove all targets when finished shooting. Anyways, I'll just give you, there's a range. It's a small range, not very big. I don't see much out here because you could see how the ground is. You could see that all the rocks have been pretty much swept away. See, you notice the difference, how dark it is? That's a lot of rocks there. And the lighter color, it's been swept away because people recycle brass. Lots of it. And there's a lot of it out here. And, isn't that nice? A loaded 12 gauge. Yes. This is going to be an interesting night. So, anyways, I better pause this. I'll be back. And I'll show you something. If I see something, I'll come back. Alright. Alright, guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video completely, because I know I'm not going to be able to post this on YouTube if it's longer than 9 minutes. I probably won't be able to post this. So, I'll come back. And this is part 1. And I will see you in part 2. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice night.